Guys, I have created this eco cooler filter air in this first time in Pakistan. Let's see what happens, inshallah. This is my project station, and this is wooden. With this water I hold it. You can see it, and it will be helpful. Like the sunstroke. People are dying in Pakistan, so to help them, I just tried this to help them. Let's see, in different parts of our desert areas, usually our target audience is desert areas. Inshallah, we will try to help them and choose just to release them so their life will be easier and safer.
हमारे से पूरी जगह बनेगा
रूटर है
मेरे वाला बंदा सही है काफी लगे हुए हैं
तो ये ढक्कन बैक साइड तो दीजिए फ्रंट साइड
ठीक हो गया
बिल्कुल.
अब इस जगह को ना
यूं ही.
ठीक है
हाँ,
पास वगैरह
सही है. ये बिल्कुल ऐसे. Eco cooler filtered air. This is a new creativity which I have created. This is a bottle. You can see this is hot air with sand right here. It's coming from here. You can see, and this is a net which I have used, and this is holder right here, and this is from where from outside the hot air with sand comes, and from net it will be filtered, and through this it comes out with clean, cool, cold air, and that's how it works. And this black, you can see it is holder, and through it this net is this net I have stopped to get out from the bottle. And this holder I made, and that's how it works. And this bottle is you can take from any place. So it is a simple way and we are trying to aware the people to not use do not waste their bottles, and use them and help people and help yourself and help people to decrease the temperature up to 5 degrees. So that's how it works, and that's how we can help the poor peoples who are living in hotter areas. So this is a creativity, and you can see this eco cooler filtered air. Guys, this is eco cooler system from the back side. These are the holes which will fitted with these bottles. You can see this is. It is for the net. This side we are cutting the net. To cover the net, we put it here, like these bottles. This is the size of the net which we are making, so that hot air will be filtered. So the size of the net will be about 10 centimeters, which we have taken. हाथ रखो।
बस ठीक ठीक रहने दो।
So this is pipe which is been cut.
ये चढ़ा होते हैं। चलना कर बस बस बस। ये लो ठीक हो गया।
This is the sample of eco coolers, filtered air. See the net. It is very simple and easy way to stop global warming. This is eco cooler filtered air I have created. It's in these are the bottles during the manufacture made filtered air cooler.
दिखाओ।
Guys, I have created this eco cooler system in Pakistan first time. First, I have taken this wood, which was only a wood. After this, the procedure was came and we made these holes. You can see, and after that we put these bottles in it, and when the hot wind comes, sand wind comes out from backside, it will be converted into cooler air. You can see from this side. These are the bottles. You can see here other bottles can be filled. You can see the wind which is blowing from there can come easily here, and it is cooler as wind is blowing here. You can see, and about 5 degrees to 6 degrees it can decrease temperature. If you put in any window or in any place, it will be helpful. It is cheap and it is without using any electricity. So without zero electricity is used to take the cooler air wind without electricity in Pakistan. I have made this eco cooler fitted here because to help poor people in Pakistan to wake up them, so that they not to create awareness among the people of Pakistan, so that they not waste their bottles and use them in a creative way at any place in Pakistan. To decrease the temperature, it can help easily to the poverty, the people who are living in the below poverty line area in Pakistan. It is easier and safer for them, and to all the peoples who are who waste their bottles, I have a request them to do not waste them, utilize them, give to the poor people and help them to make this eco cooler system. Also, we can use this eco cooler system in any home. While you are in your window, where the two things I want to tell, from where the side where the wind is blowing, and the bottles, as much as you put in, the effect will be more effective to the people who are living to the window side, and it can be helpful to the villages, towns, and also it can be helpful to the hospitals. It can be helpful. It can be helpful to the washrooms, and also to the kitchens, and also to the schools, where the wind is where you know the hot weather in July, August, and September is making about 40 degrees centigrade in Pakistan, and also in desert area, Thal and Tharparkar areas, and also in Cholistan, the sandy areas, the people who are living there also affected due to this hot summer in Pakistan. So to help them, to relieve them, I made this eco cooler fitted here, which I have given name to this. And the rest I will show you after the net. This is how eco cooler net. Here. That's how it is installed in the board. You can see from here. It is installing. That's it. That's all. Rubber bands. You can use these rubber bands as well. And that's how it adjusts into the bottle. This is the way. And here it installs like this. Simple way. Installing the bottle. This is hot air, eco coolers. This is cold air. That's how eco filter cooler works. You can see. Now finally it has created eco filtered coolers. First time ever. You can see. This is what it is all about. Eco filtered coolers. Finally created. Coolers have finally created. You can see this is first time in Pakistan that this net with this was created using the bottles to help the. You can see this is how eco cooler all about. Here these walls are about 100. I take a wooden sheet, and with these bottles you can take from any place. The message is however is simple and straight. They do not waste your bottles. Use and utilize them. Without electricity, without using any wood, we can take clean and cool air. From here the dust wind comes out. From here from this side of the bottle you can see the clean cool air comes out. The basic part, the best point which I have used because of this, if you see this net, from here no bird, no lizard, no any kind of a thing can easily come. Only dust particle will be even dust particle will be removed and filtered, and fresh clean cool air has come out through these holes, and up to 5 centigrade it can reduce temperature or the room temperature of the homes, and also in bathrooms, also in kitchens, and even in the hospitals where poor people are dying due to heat waves in Pakistan, in desert areas, in any other place where people cannot afford AC, coolers, even electricity, because as there is load shedding in Pakistan. In this load shedding, I have used this eco cooler system new to help the poor peoples in Pakistan. And it's a wake up call for everyone. This video is for awareness to as global warming is basic issue in Pakistan, to help them to get out them. I have made this eco cooler first time in Pakistan. These are the holes from where clean and cool air is come out. So this is a place. This is what I have done, and this is what I have created, and thank you Allah for giving me this opportunity to make this. And in this desert area, Suthal and Tharpalkar, where comes a problem to help them, and finally it was needed and it was justified. My idea is basically this net and this area with this plastic bottle to help the people in Pakistan. Eco coolers, filtered air, which I have given name to this, my new product, my first product ever I have created. So this is my idea, this is my project, and this is finally I have made. Eco-filtered coolers. The credit goes to such guys who made and helped me to make eco-filtered coolers. I have created, you can see this. This is what I have done. This is my product. It will give you clean and clear air without using electricity to all the poor peoples of Pakistan, to help them to get out of them from the problem. As load shedding is a basic problem, and with this hot months, July, August and September, which is also due to hot and monsoon winds are blowing at here with sand. So to help them so that the so the hot and warm air can be filtered and becomes cool from that side, using these bottles you can see, and through these bottles, from the mouth, from the neck of the bottles, you can see from the air, these all can help to reduce room temperature of about 5 centigrade in this hot weather in Pakistan. In desert area like Cholistan and Tharpalkar is my target audience. So this is all about eco-filtered coolers, which I have created, which I have made. It is my creativity, it is my idea, which is to help the poor peoples so that they do not lose hope, and without giving global. This is also a campaign so that the global, so we can defeat global warming and the rise of temperature, and without giving any harm to the environment, and to utilize the garbage which people throw their plastic bottles. We can help the poor people to just to give them. This is all about eco coolers, and this is what is my product about. The idea which I have to tell, then in your windows, in where the basic point is, from where the wind direction of wind is comes on, you have to be put it there in your window, and from here the clean cool air comes out. Then it will be helpful to the people who are affected by the heat waves. Quite easily it can decrease the temperature of up to 5 centigrade. So this is about all the idea, all the methodology according to the poor people, below people living in poverty, to help them, poor and needy. This idea is made, and it also is also helpful in hospitals, which I basically want to say. The poor people, due to heat waves, dies, and there is due to lack of electricity, and due to hot waves, people are dying in Pakistan. This is my message for awareness. This is my creativity for awareness. This is what I have done for the poor people of Pakistan, and this is all about filtered eco cooler systems, which we need to install every place in every village of Pakistan affected in Sindh, Balochistan, and Punjab, and especially in South Punjab, in desert areas like Cholistan, like Thar and Tharparkar areas, so that the poor people not die and will live life and will be safe and sound, so that their life period will be increased, and up to the mark they can live their life, and without using electricity, without helping global warming. And my basic message is, do not waste your garbage, do not waste this plastic bottle, help the poor people, give them, and this is the way which I have given them. This is my methodology, this is my formula to help them, so that they can make their own eco-filtered coolers, and so that they can be easy, so that can be live easy and healthy and fit life forever. This is how eco cooler is fitted in here. You can see this is the poverty line. From here the cool clean air can be feel, and that's how it is. This is a village where poor peoples can be helpful. Yeah, it was coming, the cold clean air. The clean wind can be seen. See this, how the persons can taking the clean cool air. This is what clean cool air all about. The backside of the village, you can see this is neck, and how the clean cool air, the people will taking the clean and cool air in Pakistan. So this is what I have created. Eco cooler filtered air. This is eco cooler system. You can see eco cooler filtered air. This is poverty. This is how people are affected. So this is how the window, you can see eco cooler filtered cooler is installed here in the room. This is window from the room. You can see this is how it works. You can see, you can feel these are the holes from the back side. Even you can feel the wind, the sound of the wind as well. It is clean and clear, without electricity, without any affecting the global warming. This is wind blowing. This is the sound of the wind, fresh wind. It comes on. This is eco cooler filtered air, and you can see as well. It is about 34 centigrade. I think so, 35 centigrade. Let's see how much it affects. This is where it reaches to 38 degree. You can see eco-filtered air coolers. Now the temperature is going down, comes down to 29, I guess. Yes, about 29. So it is successful, the eco-fitted cooler airs here in Pakistan. Up to 5 degrees the temperature is gone down. The room temperature is gone down to 5 degrees. So it is a successful experiment. Exactly 29 now. This is what eco cooler is all about. As you can see in the window, eco-filtered coolers are fitted. So that's how from back side it works. The wind is blowing, you can see from here, and in this hot weather it will helpful to decrease the temperature successfully up to 5 centigrade. Zero size eco-filtered cooler without electricity and without water. It is using with no price, without any cost. It can be used successfully, and it gives zero effect to the global warming, and it is very friendly to nature. Third world solutions to the third world problems. You can see how eco cooler filter works.
Eco filter coolers.
Eco cooler filtered air. I am the founder of this new creativity and this new experiment which is now successful in Pakistan. This is I have taken a bottle, and from outside hot air with sand comes on. So to clean it, I have taken a net and cut a bottle and put it on the back of it, and from here his mouth, from where the hot air will be filtered, and from here it comes out with a clean cold air. So that's how it works. And this is bottle, and here it is a holder. This is black holder from which this net was captured, so that it will be not out from this holder. So that's how it works. This is my experiment, and up to 5 degrees the temperature is gone down. In this hot July and August months, we have seen lots of people die due to heat wave in Pakistan. So to help them to get out from them, I have created this. This is my new invention. Actually, I was the first who created on this in the planet. So thank you Allah for giving me this eco cooler system I have created in Pakistan. So thank you for watching this.